Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a team switch button in Roblox Studio. So when you click on a button and if you're on the red team, you'll be assigned to the blue team. So basically for this video I'm just going to add two teams, a blue team and a red team, to keep it simple. So inside teams you want to add two teams, or how many you want, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to name this blue team and red team. So blue team and then the red team. And the blue team, the team color will be blue, and the team color is bright red. So bright blue and bright red. And now you want to add a locus script inside starter character scripts, which is inside the starter player, and a server script inside, server script inside the server script service. So, and also a remote event inside replicated storage. So now that you got all of that done, in the server script, you want to make a function whenever a player joins a game. So what this will do is when a player joins a game, they will be assigned to a random team. So local teams, these are the teams you have. So I have brick color bright red and bright blue. So brick color red is bright red and brick color blue is bright blue. So then you want to do player team color equals teams math random 1 to 2, because there's the minimum amount of teams is 1 and the maximum amount of teams is 2. So after that, when you test it out, when a player joins, they will be assigned to a random team and not neutral. So after that, you want to be on your locus script and you want to get the player, so which is the local player, and then player GI, wait for child, screen GI, and then mouse button 1 down, connect function. So whenever the button is clicked, it will connect this function. So then you want to fire the remote event, fire server, and you want to fire the player. And you should come back to the script and game.replicated storage remote event on server event connect function. And the first argument is the player. So if player team color is equal to brick color red, then the player team color will be brick color blue. And then else if player team color is blue, then the player is on the red team. Okay. And I don't think you need to fire the player, because the first argument of a remote event is always the player if it's on server side. So if you test this, and we don't even have our button. Okay, so you also want to make the button, so add a screen GI inside the starter GI and a text button inside the screen GI. And now it should work. Oh yeah, okay. So make sure you don't have any mistakes like I do. So text button. You need to get the text button of the screen GI. So as you can see, I switched teams, and on client side I am on the red team, and on server side I am also on the red team. So it works as planned. So if I'm on the blue team, it will still be on the blue team for the server side. If you don't know what client side is and server side, well, client is basically on your computer. So nobody else in the game who joins, they can not see the data on your computer. So if your team color is bright blue, it might not go to the other players might see your team color as red because you only changed the team color on a local script and you didn't do it on server side. So that's why you need to assign the players' team colors on the server side so that everybody can see that you switch teams and not just you. So yeah, that's basically the video. It also shows up in chat. And I hope you guys enjoyed and see you later.